Children love nearly everything about playing in nature. They love digging in the dirt, playing in the trees. Children are curious by nature, and there's no greater joy than that from a child who has cultivated plants from his or her own vegetable garden. By teaching children how to manage their own vegetable garden, their interest in healthy food and sustainable production method is sparked. Growing food is one of the most hands-on and tangible ways of sparking the next generation's enthusiasm for sustainability. Gardening doesn't have to be expensive, complicated, or time-consuming. With just a few minutes per week, you can grow a simple garden project with your child. Start small. You don't need a large yard to teach your child about gardening. In fact, small and simple is generally better because children are more likely to maintain interest and less likely to become overwhelmed. Choose high-interest plants. Let your child help decide which plants to grow based on his or her interest. Use the right tools. Every gardener needs a set of high-quality tools and gardening gloves, and children are no exception. Give your budding green thumb a child-sized shovel and hoe along with an adorable pair of gloves. Cultivate good habits. Like many things in life, gardening success has as much to do with consistency as with luck or skill. Teach your child to store the tools away after use, set aside 15 to 20 minutes once or twice a week, and tend to the garden and show your child how to pull weeds. These experiences offer bite-sized lessons in responsibility and organization. And finally, eat. Children get first-hand experience of the food cycle when the plants they grow appear on your dinner table. Have your child help in the kitchen by preparing and cooking a tasty meal. Let's talk about what you'll need. First, you'll need soil. Soil is a combination of materials, both living and non-living. One part of the soil is broken down rock, another is organic matter made up of decaying plants and animals. Water and air are also part of the soil. These materials help support plant life by providing them with nutrients, water, and air. Soil also keeps the roots in the ground. Another important addition is compost. Compost enhances the physical aspects of soil, which produces healthier soil, and healthy soil produces healthy plants. Compost is made of organic materials that break down in the soil and encourage the presence of earthworms. Composting materials can include things like leaves, grass clippings, garden waste, and kitchen scraps. Starting seeds indoors gives your vegetables, herbs, and flowers a head start so they can grow larger and have better and longer harvests or flowering periods. With a few basic supplies and a little patience, it's easy and fun to start seeds indoors. You can start seeds in almost any container as long as it allows drainage. But the easiest and most efficient choice is a seedling tray with cells or compartments. When it's time to transplant, it's easy to slide the plant and soil out of the cell and into the garden or a larger pot. These plastic trays can be reused for several years. Just remember to clean them well before reusing them. For more information about how I get my indoor seeds started and other garden information, follow my garden page on Instagram or Facebook at Tiff's Garden Spot. And we look forward to seeing you this summer.